everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you on how to make a DIY wearable and money saving off-shoulder hacks through this very small fabric that I have here now. So guys, come join with me and let's begin. So guys, first thing first, I have to cut this kind of the size here. Okay, so I will be cutting this one like this. So guys, this is it. This is the size that I'm going to make off shoulder, and now I am going to sew it from here like this, both sides. Okay, so this is just very simple. By the way guys, I'm going to use a garter. Okay, this such a garter, and also you can use this type of garter, any garter that you want to use. So it's already done sewing here, and now I'm going to sew this opposite side here. Okay, so it's already done, and now I am going to put this garter on, and I'm going to use a safety pin to put this garter, or I'll be using this one because it's like the same color as this fabric, so I'll be using this one instead of this white color. So now guys, I am going to put this garter on. it's already done. And now I'm going to attach the end to end of this. So guys, here it is. It's already done. I will show you guys that this is now a DIY off shoulder, wearable and detachable off shoulder, as you can see, like this one, right? So now I already have an off shoulder. Like if you're wearing a spaghetti tank top, you can use this one. You can use this techniques on how to make an off shoulder DIY. See, this is now mine. So guys, you can wear it this way, or you can wear it this way. Okay, and if you don't want it to run everywhere, you can put a safety pin in here just to stay the off shoulder, hacks like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have an idea from me on how to make a DIY off shoulder hacks. So this is it, guys. See, I already have now an off shoulder hacks. Thank you guys. Bye.